Imagine running a business without knowing how much money you're earning, how much you're spending, or whether you're making a profit or a loss. Sounds impossible, right? Whether it's a small grocery shop, a multinational company, or even your own personal budget, everyone needs a way to keep track of money. That's exactly where accountancy comes in. You've probably heard people say, accountancy is the language of business. But what does that really mean? Why is accountancy considered one of the most important subjects in commerce, business, and finance? And how does it help business owners, investors, banks, and even governments make better decisions? In today's video, we'll answer all these questions in the simplest way possible. Let's start with a basic definition. Accountancy is the process of identifying, recording, classifying, summarizing, analyzing, and communicating financial transactions. In simple words, accountancy is the systematic way of keeping records of money-related activities. Every business performs hundreds or even thousands of financial transactions every day. For example, buying goods, selling products, paying salaries, receiving payments, paying electricity bills, in taking loans, paying taxes. If these transactions are not recorded properly, the business owner will never know the true financial position of the business. That's why accountancy acts like the financial memory of a business. Now comes the most important question. Why is accountancy called the language of business? Think about languages like English or Hindi. We use them to communicate our thoughts and ideas. Similarly, businesses use accounting information to communicate their financial performance. Financial statements tell everyone how much the business earned, how much it spent, how much profit it made, what assets it owns, how much debt it has. These reports can be understood by investors, banks, government authorities, employees, and business owners all over the world. That's why accounting is called the universal language of business. The primary objectives of accountancy are: 1. To maintain systematic records. Every financial transaction is recorded in an organized manner. 2. To calculate profit or loss. Businesses need to know whether they're earning money or losing it. 3. To know financial position. Accounting helps determine what the business owns and what it owes. 4. To assist in decision making. Business owners use accounting reports to make better financial decisions. 5. To meet legal requirements. Governments require businesses to maintain proper financial records for taxation and compliance. Many people rely on accounting information. Business owners. They use accounting records to understand business performance. Investors. Before investing, they study financial statements. Banks. Banks examine accounting records before approving loans. Government. Governments use accounting information to collect taxes and ensure legal compliance. Employees. Employees are interested in the company's financial health because it affects salaries and job security. Customers. Sometimes customers also evaluate a company's financial strength before entering long-term business relationships. Before learning accounting, you should understand a few important terms. Assets. Resources owned by the business. Examples: in cash, building, machinery, furniture. Liabilities. Amounts the business owes to others. Examples: bank loan, creditors. Capital. Money invested by the owner. Revenue. Money earned through business activities. Expenses. Costs incurred while running the business. Profit. Revenue greater than expenses. Loss. Expenses greater than revenue. These 6 terms form the foundation of accountancy. Accountancy follows a systematic process called the accounting cycle. The major steps include identifying transactions, recording transactions in the journal, posting entries into the ledger, preparing the trial balance, preparing final accounts, preparing financial statements. This cycle repeats continuously throughout the life of every business. Imagine trying to manage a company worth millions of dollars without keeping financial records. It would be impossible. Accountancy helps businesses track income and expenses, detect fraud and errors, control costs, plan future investments, prepare budgets, build trust with investors, obtain bank loans, comply with tax laws. In short, good accounting leads to better business decisions. Accountancy isn't only for businesses. We all use basic accounting in our daily lives. For example, managing household expenses, tracking monthly income, saving for future goals, preparing personal budgets, calculating profits in a small business. Whether you're a student, entrepreneur, freelancer, or employee, understanding accountancy helps you manage money wisely. Accountancy opens the door to many exciting careers. Some popular options include accountant, auditor, tax consultant, financial analyst, cost accountant, chartered accountant, CA, company secretary, CAs, certified management accountant, CMA, investment advisor, finance manager. As businesses continue to grow, the demand for skilled accounting professionals remains strong. Let's quickly recap. Accountancy is the systematic process of recording, classifying, summarizing, analyzing, and communicating financial transactions. It helps businesses understand their financial health, make informed decisions, and meet legal requirements. That's why it's known as the language of business, because it provides a common way for businesses to communicate financial information to owners, investors, banks, governments, and many others. Whether you dream of becoming an entrepreneur, accountant, banker, financial analyst, or business leader, learning accountancy is an essential step toward understanding the world of business. In our next video, we'll explore the objectives and scope of accountancy, where you learn why accounting is indispensable for every successful organization. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy-to-understand lessons on accountancy, commerce, finance, and business. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.